maybe if you are new here, you're highly welcome. Guys, so today is weekend. Happy weekend. How are you guys doing? So we are going to be doing today, our topic today is reasons why some men make mistake in their marriage. Reason why men make mistake. Yes, I'm gonna tell you reasons why they make mistake in their marriage, because a lot of men today they are suffering in their marriage. I'm not talking about women today, it's men how they are suffering. A lot of them are suffering and smiling. Yes, they are suffering and smiling. And when that man starts, lamenting or starts complaining or starts misbehaving or start doing anything, people will be blaming that man. They will say the man is this, the man is that. Some of our women are the cause why their men are cheating on them. Yes, some of our women are the cause. I didn't say all of them. I said some are the cause why their man cheats on them. Yes. So some reasons why men make mistakes on them in the marriage sometimes is because number one, when a man, if you want to marry, there is many things you have to check before going to that marriage. Because if you did not check that thing before going to that marriage may not work the way you feel that it's supposed to work, may not work the way you plan it, because you did not do this. I'm going to say now. Yes. So you have to do number one before you get married to a woman, before you touch yourself into marriage, because this marriage is not man. It's not a just go come. I know that it's not a die do and die affair, but it's not that as a thinker. Do you understand me? So it's something that you have to learn. It's an institution. You have to learn each other. So before you get into that marriage, you need to ask very well the kind of woman, this woman I want to marry, who is she? So some men doesn't ask. They don't care. Their own is just when they saw a woman and the woman is so pretty, so take away, so elegant, they feel that they have seen the woman. Feel that they have seen their wife. If we go, some of them will even meet a woman, they don't know the woman yet, they will start proposing. It happened well, more especially here in our blood. So before you indulge yourself going into that marriage, going into that relationship, before end to marry, you need to know the woman you want to marry, the kind of woman you want to marry. If a really a marriage material, if it's a really a woman that fits you, that the kind of woman you want, because sometimes you may marry that woman today. Before some of people you see them married today, you will not reach up to 1 or 2 years or whatever. They will have problem because you don't know the kind of woman you are married. You have to check all this. You have to still know the kind of family you are going to, the kind of family you want to go and marry this woman. Because some of family, before you go there, some family are not good. Some are good. Example, let me just use this an example. Maybe that person you want to marry now, the mother is the controller of the family, control the husband. You use the husband the way you want. You do anything. He cannot cook, cannot take care of the family. He does every how he like. Definitely, he will have a child that will look like her. Yes, I don't know. Maybe it may be the one that you married, maybe not. But you must have a child. A children will be like her. So you have to check all this. Because sometimes some men are complaining if their woman are not good, maybe they are not good, they don't know how to cook, they don't know how to take care of the husband, they nag too much, they complain too much, they request too much, a lot of things. Some men are suffering. I'm telling you the truth. Some men are suffering too much. So before indulging yourself in such place that you are called, you want to marry, this thing is called marriage. You have to look onto this. Do you understand me? Look the kind of family you are going to. Number one, know the person you want to marry, the kind of person. Is it the kind of person that is going to fit you? Is it the kind of person that you wanted in life? Is it the kind of person you live with for life? Is it the kind of person or this kind of person? Welcome. Good evening, dear. Oliver, welcome. Is it the kind of person that can tolerate you, that he can also tolerate? Is it the kind of person can have patience with you? Is it the kind of person that can endure whatever it is, whether good or bad? All this you need to ask yourself. You need to check very well. Do you understand me? You need to check very well. You don't need to just rush. You see a woman today, before you could know it, you don't start marrying. You don't know anything background about that woman. You don't know anything about the past life. You don't know anything concerned. Because a lot of people, before you get married, you need to know even the person past life. I know it's not necessary too much because some men, even if you tell them your past life, sometimes they will quarrel with them because marriage is not all that sweet. You quarrel with them, they will use it against you. But yes, you have to still know if the person is a truthful person, you really want to come and marry, he need to tell you about her past life. Even a man need to tell you about her past life. If you want to love, thank you so much, Olivia. God bless you. If you want to love the person, you love the person for who she is. If you want to love the man, you love the man for who he is. A couple is supposed to know themselves. I wonder some women and some men, they're hiding things for each other. You see why that marriage will not work. So if you get that kind of such person, it will not work. You understand me? Or a woman that will be in the house, in phone is fear. You have fear. You don't have that trust to forget your phone in the house, in the room you are living together with. You don't have that trust. If you make mistake forgetting the phone, it's like if we have forgetting a God, you go back, not only the watch. Don't worry, na small they will come. So you get back and rush and tell that phone back. You know that that woman is not a good material wife because there is something is hiding for you you don't know. But if it's a woman, for example, let me use myself as an example. Sometimes there is something, maybe I am going work, maybe my husband is at home that time, for example. I say, okay, I'll leave this my phone. There is something here I would like you to do inside this phone, or there is a call that's going to come and you need to answer the call because I will not be at home that moment. But since you are at home, I will leave the phone, I will go. Sometimes I will forget the phone and remember that I forget the phone, I will not come back and take it. I say, I want my phone, keep it for me. If anybody call, answer. Because I don't have something in mind. I don't have any clue. I don't keep any secrets. So if you have that kind of such a woman that keeps secrets, it doesn't tell you anything, that woman is not a good material wife. Because a lot of women too, I know that some people will not like this topic today, some people might like it. I know that you know it's difficult, it's very difficult. Some couples are suffering this, I'm just saying now. You see, they're hiding things for each other. But why are you people answering couples, partner? Why are you answering my husband and my wife? Why you cannot open or you cannot be free for your wife? You cannot be free for your husband. You are just like you are living with this is your husband, but inside you is your enemy. So that is this why you have to search. Check very well. Check the kind of woman, this woman you know her very well before indulging yourself in the marriage. So this is why some men are suffering too much. Some men, yes, no cockroach. Thank you. Some men are suffering and smiling. It is that they are happy. They are not happy. That is why you see some marriages today having issues, having problem. You will not know what transference, what is the major cause of this problem. You may think that it's just what you are saying physically. Don't know what that person is passing through in the marriage. Me myself, I always said marriage is not do and die affair. But sometimes, like I said, before you get married to a woman, get to know that woman very well. Hi Joy, welcome. That is the dating cheating husband or yes, my dear. Oliver, you are right. So you see, so you need to know that not only because of that area I'm talking about, I'm talking generally. Do you understand me? Because if you marry a wife maybe this person family have issues. You know what I mean by issues. So you need to check very well. This is also a reason why you need to check if this kind of family I'm going into, is it the kind of family is good to go and take wife from? Because if you go and take wife where family that's have problem, have issues, have many things involved, not only problems. Anybody can have problem, have other things, maybe sickness, maybe one thing or the other, maybe you know what I'm talking about. So that person can also practice that in the marriage. Yes. So another thing you have to check, not only seeing a woman, you have bumbo, you have front, is beautiful, you just bam, marry the person, put for house. Tomorrow you'll be suffering it and suffering and smiling. No, you don't need to do that mistake. Number one, number two, you need to also ask God's direction. A lot of men today marry another person's wife. A lot of men today marry another person. That is why they are having problem, because he did not seek the face of God first. He just enter into marriage badam. Marriage is not something that you will just enter. Marriage is not that thing that people feel that it is. Do you understand me? So you have to ask the face of God first. Ask face of God and know whether this person is truly. You can even test God for one thing or the other. Do you understand me? So everybody get to the way he pray to a God, asking God whatever he wants. Do you understand? I'm just giving an example. So some are not even interested. They just want to marry. They are not even interested. They don't seek the. That is why you see them having a bad wife, having marry somebody that will give them problem headache tomorrow. So you have to seek the face of God first, okay? So that God will direct you for who is your wife. God will direct you to show you who is your wife so that you will not make that mistake. The worst mistake a man will do in his life is to make a mistake, marry a wife that is not his own, because it's gonna give you headache. It's gonna give you tough time. It's gonna give you headache. Yes. So you have to also seek the face of God when you want to marry. Don't forget, seek the face of God. It's very important. Okay. Go on your knees, ask God whatever you want God to do for you. Pray to God. Tell God, I want you to do this. I want to get my own wife. I don't want to marry somebody's wife. I want my own wife. Direct me. I want you to show me this way. If you do this for me, I will know that yes, you have showed me my wife. I want to do this. If I do like this, so ask God. Seek the face of God. It's very important as well, so that you will not make. This is some reason why men do mistake in their marriage and they are suffering, because they don't lack. They lack seeking the face of God. They lack believing in God, that God is the one that have to choose for wife for them. Not that He will choose for wife, that He will direct you to prove it that yes, this one is my wife. Do you understand me? So when you don't seek the face of God, so eventually sometimes you make mistake and marry somebody's wife. And when you marry somebody's wife, problem, you'll be having problem. You understand me? You'll be having problem. So this is the reason why some men have problem in their marriages today. So another one you have to do is to know that this woman, so because some men are complaining too much, some of women don't know how to cook. Some women don't know how to cook. They don't know how to keep themselves neat. Don't know how to keep their houses neat. Don't know how to take care of even their kids when they have children. So some men are suffering inside there. Yes, thank you so much. Some men are suffering. So we have to still check this. Because any woman will not know how to cook. This time around, they will carry cook. Somebody will be cooking for your husband. Tomorrow, that person might, anything can happen. He said that person have snatched your husband for you. because you don't go and serve your husband. You don't cook for him. You don't wash his clothes. You don't wash his underwear. You don't know anything. You don't even care when he goes and come back. Some of you are in Africa, they are having maids, having people that are going, doing this for you guys. So even in this video, you need to learn something from this video. So stop it. There is some things your mate, your husband can do for you. There's some things he cannot do, not everything. Because by the time you give him the time to be taking care of your husband, you are giving the road to do pregnant and go inside more than you think that she can do. So, and the anything concern man and woman is not something, sometimes it's not that person's fault, it's not that the person wanted it, but you know, maybe you are not around, you are lacking in the marriage, your presence is lacking everything. So the man sees the person that is nearby, he can take. You understand me? So this is what you need to check. And if you're a woman watching this video, watching me right now, or you watch this video later, please learn how to do all this. Do you understand me? Learn how to do all this. Very, very important. Because some men are suffering today because of their wife don't know how to cook. Their wife smells. It doesn't keep herself neat. It doesn't brush up. Every time say pass for road sef all the whole all the way hit wey do am, you go carry enter her inside bed go meet a man. Is he not suffering? The man is suffering because he cannot, even if he talk to you say go and bath, he say I'm tired, but you have been working since morning for you to go and take your shower, brush up, clean your face, clean your armpit, clean everything, enter bed, smell like goods. Some men are chopping shit, nutrition. Some of men are irrigation because they don't know what to say because of their wife. And when they tell some of them, when they tell them, they will not take that correction. That man will be suffering and smiling. If you have someone that when you are dating that woman is not that neat, is not that very dirty person, cannot even do anything, you actually put some piece their name, leg, hand and leg and cheredo heel. You understand me? Do you think that when you marry her come in, she will start cutting the nail like she pissed and start doing cooking for you while you when you are dating her? She cannot cook. So you are suffering, you are the cause because you did not look well, you don't know who you are married. Yes, you don't know who you are married. So you need to check all this. Do you understand me? Check all this. It's very, very important. The background of that person, the character of the parents. Because let me tell you, any character of the parents, if that particular child did not follow the footstep, another one for they must get somebody that look like them. They must get somebody that will do as certain as they do. So that is why when you are young or whatever doing anything, leave a good legacy. I have made that video before. Go and watch my previous video. And if you are watching me on YouTube, please follow my page, Adadiche Blog TV page, and Adadiche Blog TV too in Facebook, and see and learn more from there. So we are there learning. So all these things men have to check so that they will stop, they will not make a big mistake. They will not start to say their wife is this, their wife is that. So they don't marry because of beauty. Don't marry because of bumble. Don't marry because of the one that they carry for chest. Marry because of this is my wife. I seek the face of God. That is why the kingdom says, seek the face of God, seek the face of kingdom, and every other thing will be added unto you. If you seek the face of God first and God directs you, every other thing must add unto you. So you will see a good life. You will, in fact, you go start thanking God because a lot of people lack this one I'm talking about. So that is why they make mistakes. Some of them don't seek the face of their own, don't care. They just want to marry. It doesn't matter if God is existing, they don't care. Do you understand me? So that is why people when they teach our Bible still teach us when you go to Bible say, my people, the word of God say, my people perish because of lack of because of lack of understanding. Do you understand me? So because of lack of prophecy, something like that, you know. So if you don't go and seek the face of God, you will make mistake, big mistake. Some don't make mistake. I didn't say all men. Do you understand me? So all this you need to change. Don't look into the beauty. Look into the character. The beauty inside, not outside beauty. The beauty inside, because there is beauty inside. So look onto that beauty. Don't look aside. Another thing again, let me tell you, some people have made this. This is a very common mistake, but people don't really take it serious. If you want to marry a wife, some men don't look into this. Even some women don't even look into this. I'm going to say now. If you want to marry, sometimes check, make sure that you marry somebody that have fear of God. Welcome, Daniel. Faith, welcome. Good evening. Good evening, dear. So make sure that you have this person you want to marry, this woman have fear of God. He have fear spirit of God in her. It's very, very important. Because if you don't, some of them don't have fear of God, you are in trouble. Depending on you, where you base, where you believe, where you belong. So check very well. All this you need to check because it's good to marry a woman that have fear of God, to have heart of God, to have fear of God, so that when you know, so that if your wife have fear of God, yes, you will enjoy her. Likewise, a man. So all this we neglect it so much. We don't check on this. We don't care. Whenever we see a woman, her eye is making papa papa. Her eye, you don't feel neck, leg and hand. You don't feel a wig. You don't do in breast. You don't do in stomach. You don't do in ash. Hey, see this one are correct. Oh. Tomorrow you will start coming and crying for social media for us. Yeah, good evening. Matthew, good evening. Tomorrow you will start coming and crying for social media for us. You will not let us rest. You use your problem, be disturbing everybody. We are not going to rest again because of you. But when you are trying to do that mistake, it did not call anybody. Nobody was there. We are not there. We are not there. So all this you have to look into it. It's very, very important. People overlooked this area. They don't need to overlook it. That is why you have a lot of problems today in the family. Because some go and marry juju yourself, come enter some marriage in the name of marriage, wife. Some go and marry water, enter into marriage in the name of marriage, wife. Some go and marry as a wife, enter into marriage in the name of marriage, wife. When you kokorola all these things, you come kokorola here and there, come as a wife. They will not enter to destroy you. Then they will start crying. That is people, a lot of men today crying, suffering. Serious one. They don't have much to talk. Sometimes it's not even that their women will be threatening them. If you talk them, don't know that some men are in trouble, serious one. That they don't have much to utter words in their home. It's a home. Woman, because he made that mistake. He did not correct, he did not check well initially before he got into the marriage. And whenever time that man and his eyes open, excuse me, whenever his eyes open, go and look that man, go back and tell that man what he was behaving. So he will think that he's not me. You understand me? When his eyes opened, so be careful the kind of woman you marry as a wife, so they will not start coming here nagging for us. You not start coming here disturbing the whole world because of marriage. When you enter, where all of us, the whole world knows where you go marry. Come bring water for me. Excuse me. Let me drink water. You know what is it? So if you're a man, be careful. They don't make this mistake. Always check very well. Don't marry because of beauty. Beauty cannot take you anywhere. Some people enter because of beauty today. They suffer it a lot. They are crying. Give me a cup. What is it? Drink up for me. When I come, okay. Drink up for me fast. Come. What is it? What is it? Bien. Vuole fare il video con me? Ma questo non è per bambini. Vieni qua. Stop. Questo non è per bambini, questo è Adadiche Blog TV. Capito? Quando noi fai i veleni li facciamo insieme.
Ho detto che non li fai insieme.
Sì, ma questo non è per bambini, questo non è per bambini.
Tu lo fai nella mia voce.
Domani facciamo insieme con anche TikTok. Oh, aspetta, quando io finisco facciamo TikTok. Andiamo un tissue. My baby want to come inside the program. And I told her that this one is not for baby. Don't worry, when we finish, bring tissue for me. Put this cup in your cup of rubber over here. Tissue. And Austin, how are you? Good evening, dear. Happy weekend. Give me tissue now. Oh, I'm tired. Give me tissue. I'm making video here, please. Oh. I'm late today. I'm tired because this morning I have been busy. So tomorrow I'll try coming time. I don't know whether I'll come in time tomorrow. No problem. Good night, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't have much time. I will not spend much time too much here. But tomorrow, I don't know whether I can be able to come because I do this program on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday for another thing. I'm so tired. Always busy doing one or two things. So guys, next week Saturday will be my party, my birthday party, and my marriage anniversary. So we are going to celebrate it together. So this is why I'm teaching you guys this. 15 years in marriage. At least I have tried. It's not a joke, a day joke. So I hope everybody is going to rejoice with me next week. Please help me share the video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube. I'm also live in YouTube. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Adadiche Blog TV. The same name everywhere. Anywhere you say Adadiche Blog TV, no say it's me. We are not two. Okay, so that is it. You have to check all this so that you will not make a mistake if you're a man watching me, because today is on a topic on I get today on. So be careful when you are getting married to a woman. It's not that I didn't say that you should love anyone is you, but be careful, very, very careful, and ask questions. Make sure that you do your research very well, and also involve God first in anything you do, because a lot of people make this kind of mistake. They don't even care whether God is existing. They don't even invite God first in their marriage or relationship. They believe that they can just do it. It's my right, you know. So always, Motawa Mary. Thank you so much. So always seek. Oh, Mary. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you for calling your friends. God bless you. So that is it, your daughter. So please be careful when getting married to a woman. Don't make this mistake. Be careful, okay? And God will help us, everyone. So blessed. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to waste much time because I came late, and it's not only that I came late. I also so busy. My work. Okay. Alison, thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting your friends. God bless you. God bless you for inviting your friends. I'm really appreciate. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tagging them. God bless you. So, like I said before, I'm not going to waste much of time in this place because I myself am tired somehow. So, I'm tired somehow. So thank you so much, Alison. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've tried. God bless you. So I'll see you soon, all right? And please invite them more and more. Good night, everyone from YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching my video. I always share the video. Please tell your friend to click the follow and like. And also, you can also visit me in my family page and channel, Obelili Family TV. Okay? That is where you are going to see me and my family where we dey do our own things. Yes. See other side of Adadiche, and God bless you. I see you guys do this. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So men, be careful, don't do mistake. Always check on the kind of woman you want to marry, check the background, check the person is it to the mind, is it a person that like material things, is it a person that's a wayward person? Is it a person that's a very dirty person? Because some of those kind of all these qualities, if a woman likes this, meaning that is a problem in the marriage. So some men are into onto this problem. They are suffering very, very hard, and some of them don't have much to talk. When they talk, the woman will shut up their mouth and tell them to keep quiet. Never you relate to your relationship, your relations. Never you do this, never you do that. They will shut up your mouth. They will keep you. They don't catch you captive. They hold you captive. You know. So this is the reason why I have to be careful. No data assist. Mavi, welcome. Thank you. Say no data assist. No problem. You guys have tried, even only to chat and comment. God bless you. I really appreciate. Okay. No worry. All this some win money 5K. So very soon Ghana crazy have done all the tasks she's supposed to do according to her and what she told me, and I believed. Believed by myself. I believe myself. So I believe anybody that come across my way and said how it is, I always take it that way. So it's going to receive. If you receive, you can also feature your friends. Those people you tell them to follow, you can also From there is to give them some recharge card to recharge their phone. I think it's okay. Um yes, we are going to do our normal giveaway I do every month, first week of the month. First the best this month that we are going to enter. I'm not going to do it because I'm busy. I will be doing my celebration on Saturday, being 31st, and first I'm going to go church for Thanksgiving and all the rest. So, guys, we see after next 2 weeks. So, I'm gonna still do it. So, but the problem I have is that you guys have to be watching my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and always share my video to your friends, your groups, any platform in social media, so that people will also see my video and watch. Don't watch alone. Don't watch alone. Let other people also watch and know reason why we are here. So we have reason why we are here. So we have to fulfill the reason. So for we to fulfill the reason, it's for you guys that are watching. Your support, your kindness, your comments, your sharing, it can also help us to go far. And God bless you as you do so. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. See you again in my next video. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye for now. Good night. Ciao. Happy weekend.